Ever wondered about the physical location of your financial future? If you're with Spaceship Super or considering joining, you might be asking, where exactly is the address for Spaceship Super Fund? It's a valid question, one that gets to the heart of how you interact with your superannuation provider, whether for correspondence, official documents, or simply for peace of mind. In an increasingly digital world, it's easy to assume everything is purely online. And while Spaceship Super is known for its tech-forward approach to superannuation, there's still a physical presence, especially for the important stuff. Knowing this address is crucial for various reasons, from sending official forms like the ATO Standard Choice Form, to receiving statements, or even for legal and administrative purposes. It's part of understanding the full picture of your super fund. Spaceship Super, like all superannuation funds in Australia, operates under strict regulations. This includes having a clearly defined and accessible address for correspondence. This isn't just a formality, it's a fundamental aspect of transparency and accountability within the financial services industry. Think of it as the physical anchor for your digital investments. So, let's cut to the chase. For Spaceship Super, the primary mailing address for correspondence is P.O. Box 886, Wollongong, NSW 2500, Australia. This is the address you'll typically use for any mail, including official documents, forms, or general inquiries that require a physical sending address. It's important to note that this is a postal box and not a physical office location for walk-in visits. Super funds often use P.O. boxes for efficient and secure handling of mail from a large member base. Now, while the physical address is important for certain types of communication, it's also worth remembering that Spaceship Super is built around a digital-first experience. For most day-to-day interactions, questions, or account management, you'll find their online platforms and digital support channels far more convenient and immediate. They offer a robust online portal, an in-app chat function, and email support at help@spaceship.com.au. For urgent matters, you can also reach them by phone on 1300-049-532 during business hours. Understanding these different contact points is key to managing your super effectively. While the postal address is there for official documentation, the digital channels are designed for quick and easy access to your account information and support. It's a blend of the traditional and the modern, ensuring that all bases are covered when it comes to your retirement savings. So whether you're sending in a form or just have a quick question, you now know the various avenues to connect with Spaceship Super. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.